Welcome to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to find your Gmail number on a PC, you're in the right place. With the new update, the process is quick and simple. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, you'll want to locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to settings. Click on the gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select See All Settings for a comprehensive view of your account options. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Accounts and Import tab. Click on it, and then find the option that says Other Google Account Settings. This will redirect you to a new page. Once there, locate the Personal Information section on the left sidebar and give it a click. This tab contains all your personal details associated with your Google account. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the section for your phone number. This is where your Gmail number is displayed. Keep in mind that if you haven't added a phone number yet, this section may be empty, and you'll have the option to add one. And that's it. You've successfully located your Gmail number on your PC after the new update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.